Hi, I'm Khushboo Passi and I completed my luxury brand management from LCBS in 2020, and right now currently I'm working at Pinch Lifestyle Services. I was planning to do my MBA. I knew I wanted to work in a creative and premium industry, but a traditional MBA wouldn't really work for me. So I wanted something specialized for me that would help me understand brands and customer at a deeper level. And that's what led me to LCBS. The program, we didn't just study management concepts, we understood how luxury brands function, how customers experience work, and what really sets premium brands apart. My internship experience was different, and the course really helped me understand the industry and it helped me pursue my career further. After completing the program, I also explored my own gifting business and later moved back to Gurgaon, where I've been working with Pinch Lifestyle Services. Looking back at the program right now, I feel LCBS has given me the confidence and the flexibility to grow inside the luxury space, and have made a place for myself with the help of Luxury Connect Business School. If you're someone who is considering an MBA but don't want to follow a very traditional path, I think understanding the luxury industry can open up very different and exciting career opportunities for you.